On quiet equestrian estates, efficiency meets tranquility. Meet DIWAL-XTURBO, the compact track loader built for refined estates. Nimble in narrow passages, powerful for daily stable maintenance. It moves gently, without disturbing your horses, and peaceful surroundings. Versatile attachments handle cleaning, transporting, and ground preparation. Less labor, more time to focus on what matters. Designed for easy maintenance, simple wear part replacement, global service support, and a 2-year warranty protect your long-term investment. BOLEO DIWAL-XTURBO.